In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your abuse report contact email in Cloudflare. This process ensures that any reports regarding potential abuse on your domain are directed to an appropriate email, keeping you informed and proactive. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logged into the right one by verifying your account details at the top of your dashboard. Once you're on the main page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu here, but what you're looking for is the section that says Manage Account. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, in this drop-down menu, you'll find various options, but you want to focus your attention on Configurations. Clicking on this option will bring you to a series of settings that you can adjust to ensure your account is set up exactly as you need it. Once you're in the configuration settings, the next step is to locate the Preferences section. It's here where you can customize how you wish to receive communications related to possible domain abuse. Specifically, you're looking for an option called Abuse Report Contact Email Preference. This setting is crucial as it directs where alerts and messages about any misuse linked to your domain are sent. After you've found it, the phrase Click Add Abuse Contact will guide your action. Clicking on this will open a new field where you can enter the preferred email address you want alerts to be sent to. Ensure that you choose an email that is regularly monitored, as this increases your chances of being on top of any incident swiftly. You will need to input the email address twice, once in the new email field and secondly in the confirmation field. This dual entry system helps to prevent errors by ensuring that the email is typed correctly. It's important to double-check both entries to avoid any miscommunications. After you've entered and confirmed your email address, all that's left is to press Save. This will lock in your changes and update your account settings. Remember, an accurate and well-monitored email is paramount for staying informed about any critical communications from Cloudflare. You'll now receive notifications directly through your chosen address, keeping you in the loop about any reports on potential abuse with your domains. That concludes the setup, and with this email now in place, you're better prepared to respond to any challenges swiftly and efficiently. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has helped solidify your understanding of how to manage your Cloudflare communications more effectively.